Okay, so let's take a look at some gate examples, and these are just basic logic gates that you would use in digital circuits. So that shape's a little misshapen, right? But I hope you can tell that's an OR gate, right? And this is an AND gate here, yeah? You can see that it's rounded. So that's another OR, and this is an AND. Right, so let's talk about what these outputs would be, okay? So if we were looking at, remember that these are the inputs here, and this is the output. Now we're just looking at a 2 input to keep it simple, right? So an OR gate would be if either one of the inputs was true, the output would be true, okay? So this one we would say A is 0 or 0, right? So what does that mean? A is 0. So if we look at it this way, this one, then here we have B is 1 or 0. And remember, for an OR gate, only one of them has to be true. So that B is going to be equal to, I'm sorry, I wrote B again, 1. All right. So for an OR gate, if one input is a 1, the output is a 1. Okay, so now let's look at the AND gate examples. So here we have, this is a 0 input and a 1 input, and for an AND gate, both pieces have to be true. So C is equal to 0 and 1, which means that it's 0, because for an AND gate, both have to be true. All right, and then here for D, the output is going to be 1 and 1. So since both are 1, the output's going to be 1. So for an AND gate, both outputs have to be 1. I'm sorry, both inputs, excuse me, for the output to be 1. Okay? And both inputs have to be true for the output to be true. Okay? Hope that helps.